Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Teddy Weeks. I'm 70 years old. I've been very active my whole life. I refereed college basketball, college baseball, high school football, high school basketball, and football, the whole thing, and my knees were worn out. I've had 3 joints replaced in my lifetime, and all 3 times my body came down with an infection. Recently had a hip that was replaced. Everything was doing fine except one little spot about the size of your thumbnail was not healing. So eventually the surgeon went in and they found that I had staph infection, which meant they went in and took the new hip out. And when you talk about taking it out, they had to cut it out because the bone had grown around it. So, and I went through 6 to 8 months of therapy. I went 2 months without a hip. I was bouncing around on a walker. And when time came with my knees, I realized it was time to do something about it. And I really did not feel comfortable about having any more surgeries because my body, for some reason, rejects some of that stuff. Nothing on the surgeon or the people that did it. I mean, they did everything the way it should have been done. But after talking to Dr. Jordan here, I found out that the stem cells, and I did a lot of research on it. And I think one of the things that it made me feel good about it is that Peyton Manning, the all-pro quarterback, had it done on his neck. And you know, we all know how it is when you get dealing with your neck. And if it's good enough for him, it certainly was good enough for me. Today's June the 9th, and I just had my injections in my knee, the stem cells, and I had 0 pain. I felt a little bit of lidocaine that they put in there. I felt a prick with that, but other than that, none at all. And I think the process of healing with this will be a whole lot easier on me and everybody else with it. And I look forward to the laser treatments I'll be getting here. So, but right now, I just think I made the right choice to do it, and I can't wait to see the results.
Thank you, Ted.